That feeling we all feel, that it's too good to be true, it's going too well. That job you want to go for, but you don't bother. That girl you speak to, you don't bother talking to. You don't think you deserve it, you don't think you're good enough. Reality is, you can be good enough, can deserve it, but you have no confidence. You let yourself down every fucking time. You never turn up. Don't put me in the work in. You sleep shit, your food's shit. The reason you feel that it's not good enough, or that thing's gonna fail, or she's gonna cheat on you, or she's gonna leave you. You have no confidence. You have no self-belief. You don't just go one day think everything's gonna be okay. That thing's earned. Confidence is earned. Self-belief is earned by putting the work in. Self-improvement, self-development never stops. You need to fucking wake up and jump onto it, because you need to lock yourself in. Because you can live your whole life thinking you're not good enough. You don't feel valuable. You most probably are at a stage where you're not fucking good enough because you don't do fuck all. Everything you're doing, you think you're doing right, but you're wrong. All the mistakes you make daily, you don't look back on it, you don't review it, you don't journal it, you don't pick up on these things. Like, well, they call it a fixed mindset, where there's a theory to do with a fixed mindset. And it's called, if I'm not mistaken, the end of history theory, where people think they won't change. They're going to be the person they are for the rest of the future. I ain't going to change, I'm going to be the person I am. But reality is that if you look back the last 5 years, you've changed massively. Things you like, you might not look like now. Different kind of music, different things you do. You look different, you act different. You got a different job. So much has changed in a few years to 5 years to 10 years. Yet, you still believe that the future isn't going to change. You're still going to be stuck who you are. It's such a poor mindset to be in. You're going to be open to new things, always pushing yourself further, never breaking promises to yourself. You should never break a promise to yourself. Like you see that hot chick in the gym or somewhere down the road. You don't speak to her. You don't even say hello to her because you think she's going to reject you. She's too good for you. She could be an absolute cunt. But you're going to never know until you find out. She'll be going into it thinking, let's just find out what this person's like. The only difference between you not getting that girl you think's hot, going on that date, yeah, you let someone else who's even more uglier, more stupid than you, take that girl, because the only difference is that person wouldn't have spoke to her. Start a conversation. See some girl at the gym, say hello. The next time you see her, say hello again. Next time you see each other, you both say hello. Hi, how's your day going? Yeah, good. What's your name out of interest? See you around here. Nice to meet you. I'm Patrick. Walk away. Next time you see each other, she's going to say hello to you. Eye contact. Somewhere by the gym, her headphones off. Speak to her again. Build a friend. You might not want to go out with her. You build a new friend, new gym buddy. Someone you see at the shop. Make a conversation. Say hello. Go to a coffee shop. You get your drink. Have a fantastic day. Walk away. Most people never say that. Most people are too stuck. No direction. No one to follow. Don't know what's right, what's wrong. Get to your 50s, you realise everything you thought mattered didn't. All that time you wasted, you're not going to get back. You're never thinking about the future you. All you actually do now, most probably impacting the future you in a negative way. I've learned this so late in my life. I should have wished someone fucking told me this when I was 18, but no one fucking told me shit. Everything had to learn from mistakes. You become good enough. You allow yourself to be good enough. You believe in yourself that anything becomes possible. You can be, act, do what you like. But it takes work. It takes consistency. Reality is, people who can't even be consistent on the basic things, and they think it's hard. And I talk to many people about different things, help them out, getting structure, joining the gym, start to look after self, start thinking about their future you. Something either cost you, it's either a cost or it's an investment. Either benefits your future you, or it costs your future you. You eat shit food every day, your future you's going to get fat, lazy, slow. Your mindset is going to be shit. Your mind follows your body. You can see so much. They say you should never judge a book by its cover, but that's just a stupid thing. Because you can tell a lot by how someone looks. Yeah, there may be a few people who you may get wrong, but the majority of the people, it's the same. What seems hard is never hard, and it never is. It never was. Going back to the basic things people struggle with, and it's silly because so many people are the same. Trying to stop a bad habit. Trying to stop vaping. Trying to go to the gym, trying to find some consistency. You can't even do it for a week or two. One, you're looking too far ahead. Whatever goal you'll have, you need to break it down to really small chunks. This is how you start getting consistency and start following through what you say. Nobody likes to take small. Everybody wants to jump straight away. They can't start small. They need that instant gratification. A little scroll on fucking TikTok. On to the next one. On to the next one. Oh, that feels good. Everybody's goal driven, but they see it in the wrong kind of view. Every action you take, there's a reason. There's an end goal to why you've done it. If it's eating a bar of chocolate, I wanted something sweet. I want to feel a bit more fuller. Every action you do, every human is goal driven, but in a wrong way. They see it completely wrong. Don't go through your whole fucking life, or at least get into your 30s and you start realising this. Start improving yourself, start working on yourself, get rid of this old mindset, this old 1.0, burn him, kill him off. The best thing about getting to such a bad level of depression is you get to restart your life. Get to a stage where your mind's fucking trying to self-destruct, and now you get to build a new version of you. Like, people see, one of the biggest things I found, man, 4 years of being heavily depressed and wanting to end my own life, is depression was never real in the first place. And if not, depression's a fantastic thing to go through, as long as you wake up and you improve yourself. Because instead of getting complacent and falling back down and getting nowhere and getting stuck, you get to wake the fuck up. You get to always be thinking about your future. Every action you do now is for the future. If you think about your future, you're present. You're present all the fucking time. Ask yourself, am I present? Yes, I am, because I've now asked myself. I'm now here, being aware of my surroundings and thoughts. Have a bad thought, okay, that's fine. I acknowledge that. I'm not trying to fight it. I'm not currently in a battle with my own mind. That's fine. I understand how you feel. And that's how you used to feel. That's not how we now feel. 2.0. Now, so go back into your little box. Bye-bye. So the feeling of it's going too well, things are allowed to go well, and things will go well. As long as you put the work in, you build confidence, build structure, build routine. So when you see that hot girl, she isn't too good for you. You're too good for her. You become too good for her. Become that good, they can't say no. They can't walk away. They need you, they need a leader, I need someone to follow.